Hello friends, today I will show you how to remove lag on Aternos. First, open your browser and go to Aternos. Set up a server. I have already done mine. Go to the software option and install Paper on your server like this. Remember to choose the version you are using. Now go to Plugins. First, add the fast chunk pre-generator to your server. Then add clear lag. And finally add farm control plugin. Now go to Files and then Server Properties. From here, lower the view distance and simulated distance. Now go ahead and start your server to enjoy a lag-free Minecraft on Aternos. Thanks for watching.